Hey guys, welcome back to Rice Kids TV, and today we're gonna open up OMG Fashion Dolls.
These are what kinds you could get.
Well, whatever. Let's just get started.
Oh my gosh! Here's your doll!
No! Oh my goodness! It's my You fling that over there.
Show them our watches.
Yeah, we have watches on.
Mine is Kitty.
Mine is Unicorn.
Look, guys, I'm gonna get this kind.
Oh
my gosh, it's a purse.
Yes, it's so adorable. It's so adorable.
Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Oh my gosh is not a bad word. If he does say oh my god, then don't tell your mom, okay?
Yes.
Let's change the video. I don't know what I'm doing over here.
So here's the rest, and here's the stander, and where's the purse?
I don't care what I'm doing.
Aaron, here's a tiny purse, and here's a lot of surprises in here. Yes, I already opened these. I'm sorry I didn't show you, but here they are. And here we go with this.
Or can you already see it?
Oh, it might be a shirt or something.
So, look at this precious jacket. Her jacket. Here's something that's so weird. Package.
What is this?
Oh!
This is precious, isn't it?
Fashion book. Fashion book. Be quiet, Kira. And these are...
Okay.
That's not being mean.
Okay,
And here's her glasses. They're like fiery. All I want for Christmas is you, baby.
This is Christmas today.
Here's
We already opened up all of our presents, and there's tons of
And this
presents.
is, all of these are just our Christmas presents.
Yes.
We got more, but we're not going to open them today.
Yes, 9 are
Don't be mad. It's not our fault. I mean, it's our mommy and daddy's fault.
Here, I'll be right back. Our daddy helped us open up our fashion dolls, and here they are.
Wow.
Mine, it's like her hair is really hard. Like this OMG Fashion Doll's hair is so good, so my sister doesn't ruin it. My sister, Brooklyn, she always ruins the Barbie's hair.
Yes, she does, and these are perfect.
Okay, it's time to open the other one.
I'm
Let's
thinking
move
on
that
our
to
fashion
the side.
stuff.
Now here's mine. It's gonna look like.
Hold on, don't open it without me. Okay.
But do you want to see it? Okay, so we'll open it. Ow!
Oh, there's tape.
Do you guys want to see this or not? Okay.
How do I open? There, I'll be back again. There's something wrong with all this.
Okay. Look at her hat. Like a cowgirl hat.
Things.
That's how we open presents.
So, I'll be right back again.
She needs a lot of
But
hate.
this is so beautiful.
Let's
Let's see what her stuff is.
I'll be right back.
Oh, what happened to that disco? Here's my doll. Oh, my doll.
Here's my doll, and she has a lot of hair. And guess what? Oh. She has a book? What in the world? Look!
Ooh, look at this jacket. It's so pretty. This is big. And here's my disco ball. Here's her jacket, which I already showed you.
So pretty. Where's this? Taking a drink.
Yes.
I'm so thirsty.
Energy. There's
Yeah.
so much energy.
And we were so thirsty.
Yes.
One eternity later.
We're done unboxing them, and now we're going to show you what we did with all of them.
Which one do you like here?
This one is so cool.
What? Say,
Which one do you like?
I like this one and this one, but
You have to pick one.
I mostly like this one because it's glittery. I don't know why. I love the dolls, and
I like this one because, like, look at these. Look.
yeah, and look at her purse.
Yes, it's indeed.
And they're rollerblades. I don't even get to have rollerblades on one of my OMG fashion dolls.
And look at these braids. They're going crazy.
There's 4. 4 plus 4 equals
8.
8. So, subscribe, turn on notifications, ring the bell, and peace out.
Peace out.
Someone's at the door, but I'm just gonna know that.